आज हम कुछ ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के प्रूविंग प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे, प्रूविंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सिंप्लीफिकेशंस, हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई। ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन इज इफ a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, okay, and prove that, the question is prove that cot a plus cot b plus cot c, prove that cot a plus cot b plus cot c is equal to cot a into cot b plus, cot a into cot b into cot c is equal to cot a into cot b into cot c. That means sum of this three angles cot a, cot b, cot c is equal to product of same cosine angles cot a, cot b and cot c, and given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so how to prove it? How to prove this is equal to this? कैसे करेंगे? ओके, गिवन क्या दिया गया है? a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2, a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2. फाइन, सो व्हाट विल यू डू? a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू प्लस सी गोज टू राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, हम इसको ट्रांसफर कर देंगे माइनस सी, सो प्लस सी गोज टू other side, so it becomes minus c. Okay, what do you do next? Taking cot on both sides, taking cotangent on both sides, both sides. Okay, so cot of a plus b is equal to cot pi by 2 minus c. Okay, so what is the formula of cot a plus b? Cot a into cot b plus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Okay, what is cot a minus b? Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Okay, so what is cot 90 minus theta? मैं प्रीवियस क्लासेस में पूरे फॉर्मूले लिखाए थे. So sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so cot 90 degree, pi by 2 means 90, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, so cot pi by 2 minus c, tan c. Okay, so what will you write next? So tan c को हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं cot में, तो tan theta is equal to reciprocal of cot theta, that means is equal to 1 by cot theta. So tan c is equal to 1 by cot c. So tan c you can write 1 by cot c. Okay, now cross multiply. To cross multiply you will get cot c into this. That means cot a into cot b into cot c plus 1 into cot c, cot c. So cot a into cot b into cot c plus cot c into 1 cot c is equal to cot a plus cot b into 1 cot a plus cot b. So next, cot a plus cot b plus cot c is equal to cot a plus cot b minus cot c. Cot a into cot b, is there a formula mistake here? Cot a plus b, cot a plus b formula cot a into cot b minus 1, cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Okay, so here it is, cot c into this, cot a and cot b into cot c minus cot c into 1 minus cot c. There is a formula mistake here, so cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b, and it is a minus b, then you will write cot a into cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a, that is cot a minus b formula. Okay, so cot a into cot b into cot c is equal to minus cot C goes to that side, cot A into cot B plus cot C. Hence proved. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. Okay, given A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, the same question it can ask you like prove that tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. How to prove that? Same, A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Given this, prove that, the question is prove that tan A into tan B, tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. Fine. So, what do you do? Given it, A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Same way, taking tan on both sides. Previous problem में हम क्या कर रहे थे? Taking cot on both sides. Here, taking tan on both sides. Taking tan on both sides. So, LHS and RHS में आपको tan लेना है. Tan of both. So, tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan taking tan on both sides, but what will you do next? Plus C goes to that side. That means A plus B is equal to pi by 2 minus C. Okay? After that, taking tan on both sides. So tan A plus B is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus C. Pi by 2 minus C. Okay? What is tan A plus B formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to, what is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. That is cot C. Okay? So, cot C you can write in terms of tan, that is 1 by tan C. Now, cross multiply. So, tan C into this is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B into 1. So, tan A plus tan B into tan C, what will you do? Multiply this with this and plus this into this. So, क्या लिखना है? tan A into tan C प्लस tan B के साथ tan C मल्टीप्लाई करिए, tan B into tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay? So minus tan A into tan B come to this side, LHS. So what will write? Minus tan A into tan B come to this side, so we'll write tan A into tan B minus come to this side plus tan B into tan C plus tan A into tan C is equal to 1. Hence proved. Okay. So given A plus B plus C is pi by 2, you can prove both tan and cot angles. So based on these two, another proving is that what to prove? Question 8. Given these two, you have one more questions on that. Sigma cos B plus C whole by cos B into cos C is equal to 2. Okay. So cos B plus C, that summation of, you can read as sigma or summation. What is the formula cos B plus C? Cos B into cos A minus cos A. What is the formula? Cos A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. जो प्रीवियस क्लास में फॉर्मूला लिखा था, ठीक है। तो cos B into cos C minus sin A into, because it is B and C, so you should write sin B into sin C. All right, all by cos B into cos C. Fine. So you can do summation of, you can split it, this by this minus this by this. That means cos B into cos C whole by cos B into cos C minus sin B into sin C by cos B into cos C. Alright, so cos B, cos C get cancelled. What remains? Summation of sin B by cos B into sin C by cos C, that is tan B into tan C. So here remain 1 minus tan B into tan C. So summation of 1 minus tan B into tan C you can write, if you expand it, summation means expand. Suppose if I say summation of A minus B, so A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. In same way, if I say 1 minus tan B into tan C, so we will write 1 minus tan B into tan C plus 1 minus tan C into tan A plus 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so this is the expansion of this summation. Fine. So what remains? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus, so minus of this and minus of this, so better minus common, tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A. So प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम है, सेकंड प्रॉब्लम में इसका वैल्यू क्या आया था? गिवन a plus b plus c equal पाई बाय 2, इसका वैल्यू था 1. सो 3 minus 1, इस पूरे का वैल्यू 1 था जो हम प्रूव करे थे सेकंड प्रॉब्लम में. सो 3 minus 1 2, hence proof. So the value of summation cos b plus c by cos b into cos c is equal to 2. Okay, hence proof. After this we will prove one more questions. We will do one more questions, like if the question is if theta greater than 0 and less than pi by 8, so that theta between 0 and pi by 8. So it lies between 0 and pi by 8. Prove that square root of 2 plus whole square root 2 plus whole square root 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. You have to prove this. So value of this is equal to 2 cos theta by 2, and theta lies between 0 and pi by 8. Okay, so how to prove this? We have let's just square root of, write as it is, 2 plus, again square root of 2 plus, again square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. So 2 is common. अगर 2 कॉमन निकाले तो यहाँ क्या रहेगा? 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta. So what is 1 plus cos 4 theta? We have to simplify this. Okay. Write as it is, 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 1 plus cos 4 theta. What is 1 plus cos 4 theta? Okay. So separately we will prove this. 1 plus cos 4 theta. 4 theta means 2 into 2 theta. So we have the formula 1 plus cos 2a. So what is 1 plus cos 2a? 2 cos square a. So if this is a, so ये क्या हो जाता है 1 plus cos 2a, that is 2 cos square a. This is a 2 theta. 2 cos square 2 theta. This is a 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. Similarly 2 cos square 2 theta. So better 1 plus cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos square. So 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. ठीक है, clear? So next 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 2, 4 cos square 2 theta. So what is 4 cos square 2 theta? Square root of 4 cos square 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. So square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus root 4 cos square theta is equal to 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, 2 cos 2 theta. So again we will take common. So you will write here is equal to square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta. So square root of 2 common, 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. That is 2 plus square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is formula 1 plus cos 2a? 2 cos square a. So we will write here 1 plus cos 2a is 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So ये क्या हो जाता है 4 square root of 2 plus square root of 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta. So again square root of 4 cos square theta is 2 cos theta. So we'll drop this. Fine. So that is equal to square root of 4 cos square theta is 2 cos theta. So 2 plus 2 cos theta. Okay, this root removed. So only one root. So अभी एक ही रूट रहा. पहले कितने रूट्स थे? 3 रूट्स थे. तो so एक रूट्स आपका अभी रिमूव होते गए. Finally you have only one square root. Fine. So this will be removed. How? 2 common again. 1 plus cos theta. Again, what is 1 plus cos theta formula? So 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. So if I ask what is 1 plus cos a, then you will say 2 cos square a by 2. Okay, 1 plus cos 2a formula 2 cos square a. If I remove these 2, 1 plus cos a, तो आपका क्या फॉर्मूला बनेगा? 2 cos square a by 2. तो यहां पर क्या हो जाएगा? स्क्वायर रूट 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2. Clear? So that is equal to under root 4 cos square theta by 2. So square root of 4 is 2 and the square root cancel. 2 cos theta by 2. That is the answer. 2 cos. तो RHS क्या था? 2 cos theta by 2. ठीक है? Hence proof. So same way you have another questions. We will prove that. Some proving problems और एक है. ठीक है? तो उसको कैसा करेंगे? Next, same way. So it depends on the formula. अगर आप फॉर्मूला परफेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस होना आसान हो जाता है सॉल्व करने में. ठीक है? So you have one more questions like prove that. You have the one more questions like prove that cos 3a. Prove that cos 3a plus sin 3a whole by cos a minus sin A is equal to 1 plus 2 sin 2A. 1 plus 2 sin 2A. Okay? So, how to prove this? It is cos 3A plus sin 3A by cos A minus sin A is equal to 1 plus 2 sin 2A. Okay. What is the formula of cos 3A? Cos 3A का formula क्या होता है? 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A. 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A. सारे फॉर्मूला है, आप फॉर्मूला परफेक्ट है तो ये प्रॉब्लम्स आपको आसान हो जाता प्रूफ करने में. ठीक है. व्हाट इज sin 3A? 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA. The formula of cos 3 is 4 cos QA minus 3 cos A, and sin 3 formula 3 sin A minus 4 sin QA upon cos A minus sin A. Okay. So here 4 cos QA minus 4 sin QA. तो 4 कॉमन, cos Q minus sin QA. Cos QA minus sin QA. And here minus 3 cos A plus 3 sin A. So if you take minus 3 common, so cos A, this become minus sin A. Okay, minus 3 into minus sin A plus 3 sin A. So cos A minus sin A. My cos A minus sin A. So 4 cos cube A minus sin cube A. So what is the formula of A cube minus B cube? हम A cube minus B cube algebraic formula यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है. Suppose cos A is A and sin A is B. So A cube minus B cube. So A cube minus B cube formula A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So you will write here cos A minus sin A into cos square A means A square plus AB cos A into sin A plus B square. That means sin square A. So okay. Expanded AQ minus BQ, A minus B A square plus AB plus B square. Okay. Minus 3 into cos A minus sin A whole by cos A minus sin A. Right here. Cos A minus sin A. Next. So 4 into cos A minus sin A into cos square A plus sin square is 1. So 1 plus cos A into sin A minus 3 cos A minus sin A whole by cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A. So next is split this. So this part by this part minus 3 into this by denominator. So हम इसको split कर लेंगे and split करने के बाद इसको cancellation कर सकते हैं. Okay. So next step, you have to get this 1 plus 2 sin 2A. तो हम इसको आप कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे. बचा क्या है? this by this, ये पार्ट डिवाइड बाय दिस पार्ट. सो 4 cos A minus sin A into 1 plus cos A into sin A, 1 plus cos A into sin A over cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A. Again minus 3 into cos A minus sin A by cos A minus sin A. Okay. So cos A minus sin A, here it is. These two get cancelled. So what remain? 4 into 1 plus cos A into sin A. And here this get cancelled. So remain minus 3. Okay. So multiply 4 into 1 4 plus 4 times cos A sin A. Cos A into sin A. Okay. Minus 3. So that is equal to 4 plus 4. I mean, here it is 4 minus 3, that is 1 plus 4 cos A into sin A. 4 cos A into sin A or sin A into cos A, as it is. You can write. Next, 1 plus 4 sin A cos A. You can write 4 as 2 into 2 sin A into cos A. 2 into 2, 4. So 1 plus 2. So this part, 2 cos A into sin A. 2 sin A into cos A is sin 2A. 1 plus 2 sin 2A. Hence proved. There is a formula, sin 2A formula, 2 sin A into cos A. So 4 sin A cos को हम 2 into 2 sin A into cos A लिख सकते हैं. तो आपका आ गया 1 plus 2 sin 2A. That was the right hand side. So hence it's proved. So इसी तरह से हम और सारे प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास. ठीक है.